J. Marpignon, Mr. Grant Rabig.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Charlie, Mr. Grant Alula.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Lionel Joseph D. Malayo, proudly representing Al Yasmin City of Riyadh.
Hello, I'm Michael J. Navarro, proudly represent Alhambra District and Jeddah City.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Gabriel Abdruan and proud to represent Al-Quba!
My name is Adham Youssef, Mr. Grant from Saudi Arabia, Al Rauda, Jeddah.
Michael Ryan Alcantara, Mr. Grant Al-Noza.
Good evening everyone. August Lawis representing Mr. Grant Oleya Riyadh.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jay Briggs Paraiso Bigno, representing Al-Bawadi, your Mr. Grant Jeddah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm John Darren Arada, your Mr. Grant Kamis Mushaid.
Galvez, Mr. Grant Al-Salama.
JJ Farhad Asbi, Mr. Grant Al-Marwa, City of Jeddah.
John Nomer Sueta, Mr. Grant Philippines, Philcom KSA, representing Riyadh As Sulimania.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Jeremy Satana, Mr. Grant, City of Taif.
Arjo, Aji, Castillo Morales, Mr. Grant Alati, City of Riyadh.